So in today's section, we'll learn how to make this crinoline leaves fascinator. But before then, please go ahead to subscribe to this channel. And to all my subscribers, thank you all for sticking with this channel. So these are the materials I will use. My crinoline, this small type of crinoline. Then I have the millinery wire, and then the flexible type actually. Then I have my Alice band, the tiny type, and then this trimming, and then just my fabric glue and my thread and needle. So let's go ahead to get started. So first of all, I'm just going to be measuring out the wire I will use for this fascinator. And what I normally do is to place it on my Alice band, then fold it depending on how high I want the thing to appear, the second step to appear, depending on how high. I'll just go ahead to cut it out. So you can just measure out any amount that you feel that is okay for you. Okay, just place it on the Alice band, and depending on how high, you just cut it out. I think I have about let me make about 19 inches for mine. So yours can be bigger or smaller. Okay. So right now I'm just going to go ahead to fix it on my Alice band, and I'm applying my candle glue. I prefer candle glue for this very part. I applied it on the Alice band, and then I'll just stick it. While doing this, you can exercise some patience and allow it to block before you go ahead to start tying it. All right, and this is exactly what you are going to do for the other side of this very Alice band. All right, I hope you are following. If you have any question while watching my tutorials, any of my tutorials, always ask me questions in the comment section and I will respond. So I'm just going to go ahead to do this for the other side. You apply your glue, allow it to stick. You can allow the candle gum to block, like when it cools it will block. Allow it to stick before you go ahead to tie it. This is simply how I fixed my millinery wire on this very Alice band. All right, so there we have it. Next thing I'm going to do right now is to use this very fanciful trimming to wrap that wire, so that the metal won't be so visible. So I'm just going to wrap it. You can use your trimmings, you can use any decorative something that can make it look so beautiful. You use it to wrap it. You can use, some people use bias, you can use it and wrap it. Okay, so that it will look so beautiful. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Nikki Collections channel on YouTube. In this channel I create DIY contents on how to make your headwears. If you check my channel, I have a whole lot of videos on how to make your fascinators, headbands, otogele, turban. Alright, so if this is the kind of content you love to see, or you want to learn it for your own personal use or for business, please go ahead to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you find value in my video, please don't watch and go. Please encourage me, hit the like button, give me that thumbs up, it's necessary. And you can also leave me an encouraging comment in the comment section. All right, so I'm just wrapping all of the trimming round the wire. Okay, that's simply what I'm doing here, and when I'm done doing this, we'll go over to the next step. Can you see that? And right now we are starting with how to make the crinoline leaves, and measurement I used here was 7 inches. 7 inches, that's exactly the measurement I used here. So I'm just going to go ahead to cut as many of these 7 inches as possible. I think at the end I cut out about 9 of these 7 inches of my crinoline, about 9 pieces of it. I think that's what I used. Yeah, I cut it out and then use it to create the beautiful crinoline leaves. So you go ahead to watch and see how I'll make these leaves. First of all, I'm just going to be applying my fabric glue at the tip of this crinoline. I apply at the first part and then this other end. Alright, so the next thing, I'm just going to try to bring them together so that they will stick together. That's exactly what I'm doing here, and I'm also going to be doing it for the other side of my crinoline. Okay, I hope you are following. If you find value, give me a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. All right, thank you all for visiting this channel, and I hope you are learning and enjoying this tutorial. So can you see what I'm still doing? I'm just going to repeat this thing for the 3 crinoline. All right, and when I'm done doing it, you see how I'm going to use them to create the leaves. Can you see that I am done doing this for the 3 crinolines? So let's go ahead to just create the leaves. And what I'm doing is, at the center of each of these, I'm going to be bringing them together. And when you bring them together, you stitch it. You hand stitch it with your thread and needle, and then place it exactly the way I will show you in this video. So let me just go off so that you pay attention and see how I made the rest of this fascinator, how I formed the leaves, and how I fixed it on the band. All right, so you keep watching and you keep learning. If you find value, please don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. You can connect with me on all other social media platforms at Nikki Collection. I will leave my links on the description box, so you can go right there and check out other of my social media platforms. Let's connect on Instagram, on Facebook, on my Facebook group. All right, so keep watching, keep enjoying this video.